In a world where people take advantage and con men exist round every corner, comes one unlikely hero. Introducing Worlding Man.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up. It was a...
Right, so a few of you have asked me back, Mr. Welding Man. Here I am. So, I've had a look at the Mini. Yeah, I'm shit at welding and I could weld better than that. So, there you go. Won't talk much more about that. You'll have seen in the previous bit. So, a couple of comments from last time. I think you all like the intro, so it's staying. Now, a couple of comments was obviously regarding my torch setup. So now I have bought a new neck. Now I bought a new neck and I bought new tips, but if you look, so if you look, you'll see the tip is all the way in there, and then if I fit that, so it's screwed all the way down, the tip sticks out the end. That's not how I have seen other people setting up their welding and things. So we're going to wind it off. I'll wind it off to about there. It's still on. Obviously there is the thread gap. So that was one of the comments regarding that. So I had to buy a new neck because the threads were knackered on it. I've still got the old one, so we'll retap that at a later stage if we need to. Second thing was the thickness of steel that I was welding with. That was purely just to get a bit of torch time in, really, just to see how I felt with it. So I've got hold of some thinner stuff now. So I'm gonna lay that down, clamp it, and then we're gonna go from there. Bear with me. So this is what we've got. We've got 2 pieces of metal, nice and thin. So we're gonna lay that on top of that, and we're gonna do a tack, 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 and then we're gonna do some seam welding. See how it goes. Bear with me. We had our first spooling issue. All has been resolved, so we're going to carry on with this, I think they call it bird shit. We're going to carry on and see how far we get. Fucking gone again. So this is the problem I'm having. Watch. It keeps jumping off that spool back there. So I undid that, lifted that up, managed to leave it back on with a screwdriver, tighten that down. It worked for about 20 seconds and it's jumped back off again. So if anybody can help me out with this, with why it's doing that, that would be much appreciated. Thank you. So this is where I've got up to. Now I couldn't really get, I can see how you can burn through very quickly, as you can see there, but obviously with the spooling issues I couldn't really get much of a weld down, but I think they call that penetration, baby. So I got some penetration anyway. Yeah, so obviously, like I say, it's gone through there and things like that, but my first couple of tacks I was really impressed with. I mean, yeah, we'll get there. So there we go, there's another episode of Welding Man. For now we're gonna have just yeah, obviously have to wait for some responses regarding the spooling issue and a couple of other things as well. I need some more thin metal as well, but yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. Also as well, regarding the torch, the shroud, I think they call it, that's obviously, there's something not right there either, so have to have a look at that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. Hope it was a laugh for you again, because it's brilliant for me. So have fun, guys.